Grandma Dolores. What do you want to say to Grandma? Can you look at the phone? What about her leg and her foot? What do you want to say?
I always said her leg and her foot.
Not when I was recording. Say, hope your leg and foot feel better.
I hope your leg and foot feel better.
Okay, what else do you want to say to Grandma?
Are you ready for Halloween? Are you gonna be crying?
Look over here.
Are you gonna be Halloween?
What is Michael going to be for Halloween?
Doggy.
A doggy. Okay, say I love you, Grandma. Bye-bye.
Bye. I love you, Grandma. Where you gonna be?